Okay, this is the homework lesson for 310. Okay, we did all the problem solving and things like that. If you want, you can make yourself a grid like this, get some paper, do it, or you could do the mini ones on here. I'm going with the bigger ones so you can see it better as I read the questions, okay? On a coordinate plane map of Clifton, an electronics store is located at 6, -7. A convenience store is located 7 units north, north is up, of the electronics store on the map. What are the map coordinates of the convenience store? And you can see they did this for us, but let's take a look at it. 6, -7 would be all the way down here. This is actually -7 right here. 7 units north. So I'm down here, it's down here, so I have to go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I end up right on the x-axis. That's why it's 6, 0. Okay, you just got to do what it says. Sonia and Lucas walk from the library. They walk 5 blocks south and 4 blocks west. So south is actually the y. West, south is a negative. West is going to the left, so that's a negative. If the school is located at 9, -1, so 9 is way out here, 7, 8, 9, -1. So here's the school. What are the coordinates of the library? So 4 blocks west, so -4. So I'm here at -9, at 9, +9. So back 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, and then south 5. So down 5. So I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the library is right here. So my new location is 5, -6. 5, -6. Okay, I'm just doing what it says. I have to take my time. Sherry's house is at the point 10, -2. So it's way out here, but it's down here. This is Sherry's. The mall is at -4, 2. Remember, -2. We're only ever doing vertical and horizontal lines. So it's this line right here. What's the distance between Sherry's house and the mall? So this is at -4. I could use this and go, oh, okay, I'm going to get rid of the 2's. These are negative and a positive opposite. Absolute value of 10 plus the absolute value of -4 is 14 units. And if I counted this, this is at 10. So all the way to here would be 10. That's that 10. Plus to here is 4. 10 plus 4 is 14 units. Okay, let me move this up. Next one. Arthur left his job at 5:04. So here's 5:4. This is Arthur's job. And walked to his house at 5, -6. So 5, it's all the way down here where the library was. Okay. How far did Arthur walk? So I could use this again. I could just usually say, okay, the 5's are both x's and they're the same. The signs are the opposite. Absolute value of -6 plus the absolute value of 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Could also do it this way. I'm 4 units here, so 1, 2, 3, 4 units, and down 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay. A fire station is located 2 units east and 6 units north. Okay, well, let's think about it. East is left and right. Okay. If the hospital is located at -2, 3, so we go over here, -2, -3. So here's the hospital. Okay. The fire station is 2 units east. Remember, east is to the right. Never eat shredded wheat. So I'm right here at the house. I'm going to go over 2. So right now I'm at -2. So I end up right on this axis. But it's also 6 units north. So right now I'm at 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I end up right there. So my 2 units east take me back to 0. 6 units up take me to 3. So I end up at 0. I don't go this way. 0, 3. 0, 3. Okay, Xavier's house is located at point 46. 4, 6. Here's Xavier's house. Michael's house is 10 blocks west and 2 blocks south. So west is this way, south is down. So 10 blocks. So right now I'm over 4, right? Because I'm over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I end up right there for those and 2 blocks south. 1, 2. So I end up at -5, +4. Okay. You don't have to solve that one. Let's turn this over. The points all here form a square on a coordinate plane. How long is the side length of the square? So they're making a square. So I can pick any 2 of these. Let's pick -4, -4, and -4, +4. So how far apart is that? X's are the same. These have opposite signs. Absolute value of -4 plus 4 is 4 plus 4. So one side length is 8. That's one side length. That's just one side, 8 units. Okay. A museum is located at -5, 7. -5, 7. Museum. 6 units to the right. So I'm only moving this way. So my X is going to change, but my Y is going to stay the same. This is the 7 up here. So 6 units. 5 of them takes me back because I'm at -5. 1 more puts me at the number 1. -5, here's 5, plus 1 is 6. So I'm at 1, 7. Right here. I just went this way. Okay? Joe's grid house is marked at -5, -3, and Andy's house is marked at 1, -3. What is the distance? So again, look at these problems. The -3s are the same. Absolute value of -5, absolute value of 1. So since they're opposite signs, I'm going to add 5 plus 1. They are 6 units apart. Okay? Remember how we do these? We have to put them all in decimal form. So 2 1/4 is 2.25. Okay? 2.4 is 2.4. 2 1/8 is 2. I'm going to take my calculator. I'm going to do 1 divided by 8, and it comes out to 0.125. Okay, so I'm going to order these least to greatest. So 2, the 2's are all the same. So I'm looking at the tenths. I have a 2, a 4, and a 1. So this is the lowest. 2.125 is the least. Just because it has 3 digits, the tenths is lower. 2.25 is next, and then 2.4. And the original numbers, this is 2 1/8. This is 2 1/4. And this is 2.4. Always want to know those. A jar of jelly that weighs 4.25 costs this much. What is the cost of 1 ounce of jelly? So I'm going to have to do some dividing there. Okay. So it's really going to be cost per ounce. So 4.25 is going to go on the inside. 2.89 on the outside. 1, 2, 1, 2. Decimal up. think I actually did this the other. This is incorrect. I want to come and do it the other way. 2.89 divided by 4.25. That's the cost per ounce. 1, 2, 1, 2, and up. It does not go into there. So I'm going to add a 0. 425 times 6, 30, 15, 2550. So that's a 6 times. Add another 0. No, we haven't done a lot of that. If I take 425 times 8, 40, 20, 3,400. So the answer there is 0.68. You could use your calculator for that. She divided the remaining into 8 equal portions. What is the weight of the clay in each portion? She began with 5/6 of a pound. She used 1/5. Remember, we talked about that. 1/5 of is multiplication. Cross cancel, cross cancel. 1/6. She used 1/6. She divided the remaining clay. So if she used up 1/6 and she had 5/6, she only has 4/6. She's dividing it into 8 groups. Keep, change, flip, 2, 1, 1/12 of a pound. So these are going to be tough in here. Take your time, do what you can. And the other thing is, this is a long video. Okay? Hope you did well with this.